Today I'll talk about stock market. Well, we all know that stock market is doing very well, but in the coming week and the weeks onwards, we can see some corrections in the stock market, which happens every time. Whenever the stock market has a bull run, BSE and Nifty both, then it generally corrects itself. There are various reasons behind it. I'll not go in that detail, but be cautious. The stock market can now see a bit of correction. But don't be disheartened, because every correction is an opportunity for investment. You can buy more stocks at some lower prices. Also, what I would want to focus is that uh, try to invest in pharma and pharma related companies, because vaccine is now around the corner, and so making of vaccine, then supplying it, which is logistics and transport companies, would also gain a lot of traction. So pharma related shares, pharma related ancillary services companies, then transport I've said, then Medicare products companies, like whatever, whichever companies which make gloves and PPE kits, such companies, just keep your eyes and ears open. And you'll figure out there are many sectors which support the pharma sector. So COVID has some opportunities in disguise. One just has to open eyes and just see. So if you are investing in stock market, look for pharma and pharma related shares. That will help you make good profit. And also, logistics is very important, because transportation of logistics, airlines, aviation will also now gain momentum, because vaccines have now to be flown in and flown out of the country. So aviation sector, which was seeing slump, can now gradually pick up. Because people are traveling also, are beginning to travel, but also this vaccine transportation, cargo related stocks and shares, so they have to be looked out for. And yes, even if the market corrects itself, even for next month, don't be disheartened, because some correction is needed, and actually this tells you that this rise is authentic. So watch out for correction, watch out for right stocks to invest in, and be prudent while investing. Keep investment money separate from your basic load of money. Don't put all your money in the market. So be wise and make money.